The Eureka thrust is a very strong day in the market where we have a lot of strong breadth. And we're talking about NYSE advancing issues versus declining issues and up volume versus down volume. The way to calculate a Eureka thrust is really three conditions using the NYSE data. We'll take the ratio of advancing issues over declining issues greater than 2.98. The up-down volume ratio needs to be greater than 5.4. And then we're going to just divide two against each other. And if it's less than 0.63, then it's a Eureka thrust. Now, how can we use this Eureka thrust? It's a very positive sign. And usually when we get a Eureka thrust within 2 weeks of a follow-through day, that can be a positive sign that this will be a very tradable rally because we're seeing a lot of issues pushing forward. Now, if you get multiple Eureka thrusts, that's very, very positive. Again, confirming that maybe this is a tradable rally. Subsequent follow-through days where we get 1% gains or more and the Eureka thrust, that combination can give you more confidence with putting on market exposure. So this is the market bottom in 2022. I've marked it here, the ultimate bottom day with a reversal. Within 3 days, we had a Eureka thrust. Then we had a follow-through day a couple days later, day 7. We actually did not get more Eureka thrusts within 2 weeks of the follow-through day. So that was a little unusual, but we were talking coming off almost a year bear market. Late in 2022, early 2023, we had 3 Eureka thrusts within a couple of weeks, really telling us that the market might be able to rally. Here is the November 2023 looking a little closer. We had a correction that went into the fall of 2023. 3 waves down, we had a 12% correction. Then we got a follow-through day. Eureka thrust was on the very next day. We had 1 Eureka thrust within that 2-week window. And then it was a couple weeks later, we got another push higher. This is really 3 breadth thrusts within and surrounding a follow-through day, which is a very positive sign for the market. In August of 2024, we had a little bit of a different situation. This case, there were no Eureka thrusts before the follow-through day, but we did get them. And you can see here, this is the 2-week window following the August 24 lows. 1, 2, 3 thrusts came up. We did have some distribution after that, so it looked like it might not work, but it held together and the market did rally for a bit. And coming out of those rallies, when you start to see those thrusts, if you coordinate the follow-through day and the Eureka thrust, this is just showing you in December 13th, 2023. Here's the follow-through day in November where those thrusts were, and you can see all the stocks that were breaking out and making a run higher. So the leaders will come forward surrounding that follow-through day with more confirmation from a Eureka thrust.
Join RainKingInsights.com for more educational content and trade ideas.